Today on The Explainer, we're breaking down 5 key insights on modern learning from specialist Patricia Regier.
Okay, so the workplace is changing faster than ever. How are our learning strategies supposed to keep up?
These takeaways from the I4PL conference signal some pretty big shifts in how we approach corporate training.
First up, psychological safety. Because let's be real, if there's no trust, there's no real learning. It's all about creating a space where people feel safe to jump in. So how do we actually build it? Even simple things like using captions or allowing more time for reflection can make a huge difference.
All right, insight number 2 is all about timing. If you bring L&D in too late, you're missing the boat.
The smart move? Weave learning in from the very beginning. Think modular, and then reinforce it often. Next up, we've got to rethink what success even looks like. Just counting heads in a room doesn't cut it. And get this, very few teams are actually connecting learning data to real business outcomes. That's a huge opportunity. So it's less about the raw numbers and more about the story, how learning actually moves the needle.
Okay, insight number 4, we have to talk about AI. So how does it fit into all of this?
The bottom line, AI is a tool to amplify your expertise, not replace it. You're still in the driver's seat.
Think about it. AI can help build scenarios, dream up personas, or even create custom visuals. Super helpful. And our last insight is about skills. Forget soft skills. We're calling them power skills now, and for good reason. We're talking about things like adaptability and critical thinking. These are the skills that really matter today. This really brings it all home. At the end of the day, it's not about the tech, it's about people. So, the big question is, which of these ideas will you use? How can you make learning truly thrive?